Well, the ice storm came, guys. Wow. Okay. Gotta go feed my cat. And I'll let you guys take a look at this beautiful ice while I'm walking down to the shop. Bicycles. Wow, that's pretty cool. That is really amazing, huh? Alright, let's walk around the lake here. There's our Christmas tree. Our Christmas tree started growing when we moved here. It's about 7 years old now. We got our outdoor Christmas tree. Oh, wow. That's pretty wild looking. Look at that big curvy tree. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's see what Venus is up to. See how my Venus cat's doing. Venus cat, I hope she slept by the heater. But at least she didn't get turned into a catsicle. That's my baby. How's the baby? She did. She slept right by the heater on the cushion. That's so cool. Hi, baby. Hi, baby girl. Oh, and you used your litter box. Good girl. Yes. Who's a good baby? Who's a good baby? I've got some treats for a cat. I do. So I got some tunas. Yes. So I got some tunas for a cat. Yeah. Let's open this up and get a cat some tuna right off the bat. What do you think? Some tunas? Love yourself some tuna. What you got, girl? Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad you slept by the heater. That makes me so happy. I know you're hard-headed, so I didn't know if you'd just be like, dig a hole right through the concrete for me or what. I didn't know. Yeah, you can do it, baby. Yeah. Oh, it's a good baby cat. Yes. Right. Yeah, man. I'm gonna fatten you up again. Fatten you up before I release you again. Oh, wow. Okay. That is some ice, huh? I'll come back and put some, I'll put some cat food on top of that after you finish getting it whittled down a little bit more. Alright. Woohoo. Tuna can. I don't think I want to put that in here. Alright. Oh my. Yeah. That's the last thing I want is smell of tuna in my shop forever after. Alright. Okay, let's have a look at the situation out here. Wow. Okay. It's pretty icy. Wow. Okay. Well, that's an ice storm.